Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm doing something a little bit different. I've actually got some POSCA pens and I'm going to use these to embellish a creation that I've already done. I was looking at a painting and I thought, shall I embellish it or shall I not? So I put that question to the people that follow me on Facebook and it was a thumbs up. It was a yes, just go for it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today. I'll take you down so you can see the original piece and you can see the process that I go through and then the finished piece at the end. Let me know what you think, but for this one, let's see what we can create. Okay, so I've got my pens. There are various colours, including a gold and a silver within this pack. So they're the pens that I'm going to use. And this was an autumnal creation that I did last year. And although I love it, I just feel that it needs a little bit extra. So this was the original painting. And I'm just going to embellish some areas on this canvas. I'm not going to go too wild. I'm just going to add some more prominent lines. And also I've got in my idea to do a little bit of webbing or lacing. So let me get my pens out and let's start this creation. If you're enjoying this video or you learn and enjoy other videos that I create, please consider giving them a thumbs up or even sharing them out. It's great for me to reach new people across YouTube who might be interested in the artwork that we do, so a big thank you in advance for doing that. I'm not going to use the yellow too much, but I am going to use it just to add some enhancement, just kind of round some edges or some tips to certain areas within this creation. I just want to add a little bit more light to this piece. I'm just going to continue creating some sections on this piece. It's about adding some lines, some more prominent lines on this piece to almost kind of break up these sections into multiple sections, a little bit like a jigsaw puzzle. So I'm now just going to take the gold pen, and it's that effect that I would normally get with a cell activator when I stretch out the cell activator on a canvas, and you get that webbing and cell effect. But I'm actually going to draw that on using this gold pen. So that's the intention behind this one. So adding on the gold pen with like a webbing and lacing effect. Okay, so I think I'm done here. I'm happy with the effect. I love those more prominent lines I've added. You can see there with some of the white and the yellow, and then that gold lacing that I did with that gold pen. So yeah, I think I'm done, or am I? That's up to you. Let me know if I should continue embellishing this and do a more detailed version. I really hope I get to see you again in the next video. Take care everyone and have a great week ahead, and thank you so much for always joining me. Bye.